The Chief Officer task in bulk career. Hi everyone, Captain Coach RJ once again. In this video presentations, ipapaliwanag or i-present ni Captain Coach RJ practical approach, the Chief Officer task. Sa mga second officer with higher license na medyo mahina pa ang loob, not ready, and you are aiming to step up for your career advancement, makinig kayo, or you can approach Captain Coach RJ for assistance and guidance through online. Okay, now just to give you the clue, this is the flow of coaching sessions natin. Voyage instruction, calculate maximum cargo to load, prepare pre-storage plan, pre-loading discharging sequence, initial final draft survey, and we have some extra balance calculation, trimming table, and very important, yung nomenclature mastery. Okay, now just to give you a quick presentations on voyage instructions, yan ito yung voyage instruction natin. This is very common, makikita niyo sa barko. Very important here ng mga details na kailangan niyo consider itong cargo details. Okay, so meron tayong term na makita rito yung tinatawag na MOLO. Alright, more or less, no, owner's option. We have the storage factor, you have the quantity recommended, we have the ports, load port, and this port. Okay, these are the very important details na kailangan itong consider. Now, especially itong na restrictions na not to exceed 12.8016 meters salt water density. Okay. Now, after that, we have to consider na yung pag-calculate ng bunker steam para makapag-prepare tayo ng final storage plan with lubricator assistance. Okay, now meron tayong origin of departure, no, point. So port side OPL, and then to Novo distance, and the consumptions, blah blah blah, load port stay, how many days, consumption per day, departure from Novo to Egypt, distance, how many days multiplied by consumption, and this port stay. So estimated consumptions for the voyage is 262. After that, you have to prepare the final pre-storage plan through the lubricator. So angko ang gamit namin dito, and then fill up mo na ito, okay, including yung bunker ninyo. Kung merong bunker sa load port, okay, this would be, or it will change, but it is discussed later on with the charterer and owner. Now, final pre-storage muna tayo. Ito, makikita nyo na na-input na yung storage factor 44, and then this is the weight and the volume. Okay? Now, this is the weight, and then the percentage of each cargo hold. Ayan. So, dito ka lang kumukuha ng pre-storage plan mo na mga details. Okay? Then, dito naman ang summary. Alright? You have the cargo here, and your non-consumables, and they're including constant. And then, your departure draft here. Okay, then the strength, seagoing or harbor, then the stress factor, and then bending moment. Now, for the final pre-storage plan, sinabi ko sa inyo, ayan, open template naman ito, walang standard. You have to follow the company forms. So, ganyan lang, okay, departure, arrival, Istanbul, and arrival Egypt. Tatlong conditions lang ang piniprepare natin. And then, ito lang. Ipapadala natin ito, no, sa ating owner for approval. So, ganito lang ang ating sistema Philomates. Okay? Ayan. Ganito lang ang ating preparations. You and me, I will act as master, you will act as chief officer, then we comply the voyage instructions, no, as part of your chief officer task. Ayan, later on, we have to consider na rin yung ating along the way yung initial and final draft survey, balance calculations, trimming table, and the rest so mga practical approach sa ating coaching and mentoring para mahanda ka and you will used to it. Okay, any opportunity on board or assure you are ready enough to accept the opportunity, yung promotion. So that's it. Just give me a message. Approach Captain Coach RG for guidance for your career advancement. Thank you for watching. Bye.